Hi everyone, I'm Jillian Andrews, and this is The Law Down, where personal injury attorney Brooke Goff shares advice on important legal topics. Brooke, thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me, as always.
Right. Yes, and today we are talking about how to understand your auto insurance policy. What are your non-negotiables when it comes to understanding your policy? What should people look for?
Sure. In Connecticut, first you got to know what you got to have, right? That's the number one. So liability, underinsured, uninsured motorist coverage, those are big, obviously, and that's in my world what we look at. Optionals are obviously MedPay coverage, collision, excuse me, that kind of thing. But the main things you have to pay attention to, for my personal opinion, for your policy, what you're paying for, is liability and underinsured, uninsured motorist policy. I will tell you, in doing this over the years and educating people, I cannot believe how many people that I ask, my clients come in to meet with me and I ask and I say, what are your coverage limits? And they have no idea. It's not even a situation where, oh, my spouse does it, they just don't know. Like, do you know what your limits are?
No.
No, but you pay the bill, right?
Right.
So it's weird that, you know, we live in a state that is so hyper-focused on, well, because of the cost to live here, cost of everything, and most people don't even know what that, and that's a big bill. It can be for some hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars. It's incredible to me that people pay it and don't know really what they're paying for. Do you know what liability coverage covers? You just get what they tell you to do, right? So I think
that's part of it. People are confused, and so they say, oh, we think this is the right thing to do, and that's what they have, and then when they are in an accident,
they don't know how to use it or what they have. So I meet with people on a daily basis and I sit down with them and we have these conversations and they're like, I didn't even know if I could bring a case because I don't even know if I have what I need for coverages. And the insurance companies don't help you. It's not like, you know, Geico, Allstate, Progressive gets on the phone and says, hey, Jillian, I heard you were in an accident. Let me tell you what you need to do. By the way, put in claims through your insurance. So. I think what's important people understand is liability coverage covers you in the event that you cause the accident, okay? So you rear-end somebody, it's the holidays, it happens, I get it. That's gonna cover you. So if somebody's claiming bodily injury, like that they were injured in the accident, and they go after you, they try to sue you or bring a claim or whatever the case might be, that coverage limit you have is going to be to cover you. So if you only have the state minimum of $25,000 and somebody breaks their leg because of what you've done, you have personal exposure.
Right.
So you need to make sure that that liability coverage is enough to cover you. I always say, how much do you have in the bank? How much equity do you have? And then, you know, add a little bit extra on top of that.
All right.
Underinsured, uninsured motorists is the other piece, which is super important. And we do segments on that as well. People can find us, obviously, on Facebook, and you can check all that out, too.
Absolutely. It sounds like I have some homework to do, and probably
everybody.
some of our viewers have some homework to do as well. Brooke, as always, thanks so much for your time.
Thanks, Jillian. Appreciate it.
All right, and you can always learn more by visiting gofflawgroup.net. For CT Buzz, I'm Jillian Andrews.